Pasta with cream and shrimp is a delicious and simple dish to prepare. Here is a basic recipe with an Italian twist that I hope you will like. Ingredients: 320 grams of pasta, 200 grams of peeled and cleaned shrimp, 200 milliliters of fresh cream, 1 clove of garlic, extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper, chopped parsley, grated lemon zest. Bring a pot of salted water to a boil for the pasta. When the water is boiling, cook the pasta according to the package instructions until it reaches the desired doneness. In the meantime, in a large skillet, warm up a stream of extra virgin olive oil and sauté the whole garlic clove, if you will remove it, or finely chopped if you prefer to leave it in the sauce. Add the shrimp to the skillet and sauté them until they turn pink and slightly golden. Season with salt and pepper. Remove the shrimp and set them aside, leaving in the skillet the juices that have been released. Pour the cream into the skillet and let it thicken over low heat, stirring occasionally. Drain the pasta when it's done, setting aside a little of the cooking water. Put the shrimp back in the skillet with the cream and mix gently. Add the pasta to the skillet with the cream and shrimp sauce. If necessary, add a bit of the pasta cooking water to mix well. Mix the pasta over low heat for 1 minute so that it absorbs the sauce well. Serve immediately, garnishing with chopped parsley, and if you like, a sprinkle of grated lemon zest to add a touch of freshness to the dish. Enjoy your meal. You can vary the recipe by adding, for example, a touch of brandy after sautéing the shrimp, letting it evaporate before adding the cream for a tastier and more aromatic version. Remember to subscribe to the channel to stay updated and visit our website for more delicious recipes.